Hi, Nisha. Thank you for conducting this session. So we have Nishtha here, who is our chef today, and she's going to teach us how to make khandvi. And we have other people are joining. So thank you so much, Nishtha, for your time, and we are very excited. So we
Thank
can
you.
start the session. Yes, you go ahead, Nishtha. Thank you.
First, we grab the ingredients. I am taking 1 spoon of gram flour. It's visible?
Yes, we can see.
1 spoon of gram flour. Buttermilk here. Homemade buttermilk is. And salt. First, we only need the 3 ingredients and turmeric. Let's start it. First, we have to mix in a 1 spoon of gram flour. Mix it thoroughly. Make sure there is no lumps remaining when you're mixing it up.
So you added curd and
Ma'am, it's buttermilk. I
butter.
make it with curd.
Okay, buttermilk and besan. That's it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Buttermilk and besan. When you can see there is no lumps, it's a paste-like consistency. We'll add more buttermilk. Make sure lumps नहीं रहना चाहिए. Till now, we had 1 part of gram flour and 4 parts of buttermilk. Okay. Now I'm adding water. One second. You can see the consistency. We need more light. I'm adding water. One part of gram flour, 4 parts of buttermilk, and 3 parts of water. I am turning on the flame. Now we'll add salt as per taste. I am adding a pinch of turmeric for the color and mix them well. High the flame. Continuously stirring is must. If you didn't stir, continue, the lumps will make up. Now it's the peak point. At that time, there are many lumps will come, but you have to continuously stir so the lumps will not make. Now at the same flame, we'll put it for 5 minutes.
Nishita,
Yes,
I have a
ma'am.
question.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you repeat the proportions once again?
Ma'am, 1 part of gram flour,
Mm-hmm.
4 part of buttermilk,
Mm-hmm.
and 2 to 3 part of water. Depends on consistency.
Okay. And do we have to add any oil or something like that in the initial stages? Because I just skipped the first part. So
What, ma'am? Can you repeat the question?
do we have to add anything else apart from this when boiling?
Ma'am, salt and turmeric.
Okay, got it.
Water color. Yes, ma'am. Salt and turmeric.
So I have a question, please.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how many minutes we need to boil it?
Till it becomes thicker. It may
And
take
we
5 to 10 minutes or 10 to 12 minutes.
need to stir it continuously.
Yes, ma'am. So that lumps in form.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
ma'am. Now we can take thali. Apply oil on the thali. With hands, spatula, brush, whatever.
Nishta, as of
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
as of now, you have not added any spice or anything, right? Spices or
No, ma'am. Only salt and turmeric is there.
oh, salt and turmeric. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Only salt and turmeric.
So I have a question, please. So
Yes, ma'am.
if you took the 1 cup of gram flour, we need to take the 3 cup of the buttermilk.
4.
4 cup of buttermilk.
Yes, and it
And
depends on the sourness of the buttermilk. You can
all.
use the curd also. If the curd is sour,
Mm-hmm.
we can replace buttermilk with the curd and add more milk into that. Sorry, milk, not water.
Okay, so 4 cup of buttermilk and 1 cup of gram flour.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, I have one question.
Yes.
So can we use the big pan or the kadai for this?
Yes, you can use. Not a pan, kadai. It will be. Kadai use कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
Nishta, one more question on salt. Like, what time you added the salt?
After mixing the buttermilk, water, and the gram flour. When
This
our
is
batter is ready, After that, I add the salt and turmeric. Salt as per taste. How much salt you need on that?
Thank you. I'm also
One more question I have.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yes.
Yeah. So I tried this recipe 2 or 3 times before. And how do we know the batter is ready for spreading, or there is any clue?
Clue to I also don't remember. Wait, I'll tell you.
Okay.
When it becomes ready now, I'll show you the consistency.
Because I used the same proportion you said, but I don't know. It didn't come out very well.
It didn't come well.
No.
What's the problem in your recipe? मतलब it becomes too loose or tight?
It was tight, very tight. That's why.
Okay. Now keep it for 2 to 3 minutes on a same flame. You can see how thin layer it was made. Pull it down to both the plates till make a bagat. Okay? I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Here are the sesame seeds and chopped green chili and spices.
Hi, Nishtha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm like very surprised that you're so young and teaching everyone like who are like cooking every day, and I'm
Yes.
so happy that you have so much interest in this cooking.
Thank you. I'm adding asafoetida.
Okay. And what oil you use? Regular oil, vegetable oil?
Yes, ma'am. Regular oil. Regular. Mustard seeds. We need a lot of mustard seeds. Green chili. And little bit of salt. Turning them off the flame and adding a sesame seeds. After turning off flame, then you add the sesame seeds. Otherwise, it will burn. Now let's check this. It's ready. Let me show you. By upping, कुछ लेयर को जब अपन उठा के देखेंगे ना, it will cleanly, you can see, clearly उठ रही है. Now I'm cutting it into the lines. You can see, without touching the surface, it will remove easily.
So I have a question. So when we spread this batter, can we use the brush?
Yes, you can use the brush or you can use the spatula also.
Okay. So
Not
if
the
it doesn't,
brush. In brush, the batter will stick on the side.
mm-hmm.
You can use spatula or kurpi. Let me show you.
Okay.
This.
Oh, okay. So if we
Okay.
doesn't have this thali, so can we use our slab, the kitchen slab?
Yes, you can use this kitchen slab also. Actually, I always use the kitchen slab, but showing you, I use the thali.
Oh, okay. Actually, we doesn't have thali, so I asked you.
Yeah, you can use the kitchen slab.
Okay.
For showing you, I use. But whenever I make, I use only the kitchen slab only.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Khandvi rolls ready. Can see the finish and shine on that. Now putting our bagan. Mustard seed, green chili, sesame seeds. Now the last process, the coconut powder. Okay.